Experiencing charging problems with your Tesla Model 3 at a supercharger can be frustrating. This video will guide you through common issues, stalls, plug problems, payment failures, and error codes, and provide effective solutions to get you back on the road quickly. We'll cover practical steps, leveraging Tesla's technology and support systems for efficient troubleshooting. Based on 2026 updates, supercharger stalls often occur due to network congestion or software bugs. Tesla's 2025 update allows cars to automatically retry connections. If you encounter a stall, first ensure you have a stable connection. Enable mobile data if Wi-Fi is unstable. If the problem persists, try switching to a different stall. The Tesla app's real-time diagnostics can identify if the stall itself is faulty, potentially saving you time. If these steps don't work, restart your car's touchscreen by holding down both scroll wheels. Plug-related charging problems at Tesla superchargers typically stem from physical misalignment between the supercharger cable and your Model 3's charge port, or from debris buildup. To resolve misalignment, position the vehicle so the charge port near the rear taillight is accessible, then carefully guide the cable into place. If you're driving a Model 3 manufactured after 2024, the vehicle now provides enhanced haptic feedback through subtle vibrations or sounds when the cable isn't properly seated. Pay attention to these alerts, as they help prevent connection issues before they escalate. Debris such as dust, lint, or road grime can accumulate in the charge port, causing connection problems. Use a soft, bristled brush designed for electronics to gently clean the port interior, avoiding moisture or harsh chemicals. If initial connection fails, unplug the cable completely, inspect both ends for damage, and then firmly reinsert it. A secure connection is essential for stable charging. Avoid forcing the plug, as this could damage the port. The CPERR code indicates a charge port fault, often resolvable without hardware intervention. Access the Tesla app on your phone, navigate to the vehicle controls, and perform a system reset. This clears temporary glitches and restores normal operation. Payment failures at Tesla superchargers are often linked to account glitches or expired payment methods. In 2025, Tesla introduced biometric authentication for seamless payments. Verify your payment information in the Tesla app, ensuring your card is up to date and there are no regional restrictions. If you encounter a payment error, try removing and re-adding your payment method. If the issue persists, contact Tesla support through the app, providing details of the error for manual override or resolution. Consider using Tesla credits for payment if available. Error codes in Tesla vehicles provide critical diagnostic information during supercharger charging. These codes help identify specific issues and guide you towards solutions. Common error codes include charge port unavailable and network timeout. A common error is CPER, which stands for charge port unavailable. This code appears when there's a problem with the charging connection. To fix CPERR, check for physical obstructions in the charge port. Clean any debris and ensure the plug aligns properly. The Tesla app may guide you through resetting the vehicle's energy management system. Another common error is NTERR, which means network timeout. This occurs when the vehicle loses connection to the supercharger network, often due to Wi-Fi issues or server overload. To resolve NTERR, try restarting the car to reset the connection. Alternatively, wait a few minutes for the network to stabilize. The Tesla app can provide guided fixes, such as switching to mobile data if Wi-Fi fails. Always use the vehicle's touchscreen or the Tesla app to interpret error codes and follow the recommended actions. The app's in-app guided fixes can help resolve issues quickly without needing technical expertise. The future of Tesla supercharging includes wireless charging, piloted since 2025, and AI-driven optimization to predict and prevent errors. AI-driven optimization will predict and prevent errors, reducing supercharger downtime from 5% to under 2% by 2028. Tesla aims for 100,000 supercharger stalls globally by 2030. Expect continued integration with renewable energy sources, with 30% of new stalls expected to be green by 2027. These advancements, combined with regular maintenance and effective troubleshooting, will ensure a smoother and more reliable charging experience for your Tesla Model 3.